going on, everybody? This is pretty much a walkthrough of how to install a 350Z aftermarket steering wheel. You want to take off the security bolts, torque bolts on the sides, one on each side. They look like this. You pull straight out on the horn. Disconnect the airbag wires. Then you want to loosen the 19mm nut. Don't take it off all the way, leave it on a little. You want to whack the steering wheel a few times, side to side, and pull straight to you. Sometimes it's really hard to come off, that's why you leave the nut in the middle so it doesn't whack you in the face when you pull the steering wheel off. Save this nut. Remove the wires. You don't need this anymore. If you're using an energy hub, they come with a horn adapter. Just plugs right in. Then you want to grab your hub, stick the wires through the slot. You'll notice on the top of your hub where it says energy, there will be a little dot. That'll be your top dead center. On your spline itself, there'll be a notch. Line those two up as best as possible. Get it on there snug. Take the 19mm you took off earlier, replace it. Your energy hub should come with airbag light fuses or resistors. You pretty much just stick the wires in the slots. Next, grab the backing plate to your quick release and plug the wire into the backing plate for the horn. After you do that, just tighten the backing plate down to the hub. The top screw should have a dot, same as the hub. Just match it up and tighten it down. Then install the quick release to find the center and line up your steering wheel. You're gonna want to plug the horn in before you tighten it down. It makes it a lot easier. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll be trying to do more videos like this in the future, so please subscribe and stay tuned. Alright, see you next time.